Hello and welcome to Vegas Ace's free course on Pai Gow Poker. I'm your host Heather Ferris, and on today's episode we're going to go over poker hand rankings. Yes, I know this is a Pai Gow Poker video, but if you hadn't noticed in the title, poker is a part of the game, and the only way you could play the game is by knowing the poker hand rankings. Or you could always rely on the dealer to do it for you, which is great if you're only there to flirt with the dealer. As we go through this list, you'll probably notice a few differences between Pai Gow Poker and the normal poker hand rankings. The first being the 5 of a kind, because you'd never see that at a normal poker table. Since Pai Gow Poker uses a joker card, there is a small chance that the player will get 4 aces and the joker. And that is the first hand ranking that we are going to add to this list. This is a list of which hands beat what. 5 of a kind is at top, which means it beats all of these other hands. Next on the list is the royal flush. A lot of people will recognize this because it is the highest ranking hand in poker. A royal flush is an ace, king, queen, jack, and 10 of all the same suit. The only hand that could beat a royal flush is a 5 of a kind. Otherwise, the royal flush beats all other rankings. A royal flush is considered to be the highest ranking straight flush, and that is the next ranking on our list. A straight flush will lose against a royal flush and anything higher, but it will win against a 4 of a kind and anything lower. A straight flush is when all 5 cards are in sequence and also have the same suit. For example, a 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 of hearts. A 4 of a kind is next on the list, and this ranking consists of 4 cards of equal value. For example, a 9 of hearts, a 9 of diamonds, a 9 of clubs, and a 9 of spades. The 4 of a kind will lose to a straight flush or higher, but it will win against a full house or lower. Full house is no. If you want the poker rankings for a full house, then combine a 3 of a kind and a pair together. For example, a full house would be a 7 of hearts, 7 of diamonds, and a 7 of spades, along with a 9 of spades and a 9 of hearts. A full house will lose against a straight flush or higher, but it will win against a flush or lower. A flush is next, and this hand consists of 5 cards with all of the same suit, but in random order. For example, all diamonds or all spades. A flush will lose against a full house or higher, but it will win against a straight or lower. A straight is when all of the cards are in sequence, but they have different suits. For example, a 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. A straight will lose against a flush or higher, but it will win against a 3 of a kind or lower. Here is another difference between Pai Gow Poker and normal poker. See, normally in poker, the second highest straight is a king, queen, jack, 10, and 9. But in Pai Gow Poker, the second highest straight is an ace, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next on the list is a 3 of a kind, and this is when you have 3 cards of equal value. For example, if you have 3 jacks or 3 sevens. A 3 of a kind will lose against a straight or higher, and it will win against 2 pair or lower. 2 pair is just how it sounds. You have 2 pairs. A pair are 2 cards of the same value. For example, a pair of 5s. And if you added a pair of 8s, then you would have 2 pair. 2 pair will lose against a 3 of a kind or higher, and it will win against a pair or lower. A pair will lose against 2 pair or higher, and it will win against high card. High card is any hand with no rank or value. So when referring to a high card hand, you always say the highest ranked card first, followed by the word high. For example, a queen, 10, 9, 7, 5, 3, 2, all in different suits, would be a queen high Pai Gow. Pai Gow is just another way to describe a non-ranking hand.
I would love to hear from you guys in the comments section below.
What's the highest ranking hand that you've ever received? Do you like having the Joker card as a wild card? Follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Remember to subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.